JK BMS, the vertical 48v 280ah battery box assembly tutorial. Test the battery to ensure consistent voltage. Place the battery one by one on the epoxy board. There is an epoxy board between each battery. Attention positive and negative pole placement. Place the bracket on the battery pack. Place the PCB board on the bracket. Place the connecting piece. Place the wires on the PCB board onto the stud. Fix with nuts. Use a torque wrench to secure the nut. Install BMS. Install positive and negative terminals. Install CAN RS485 interface. Install switch button. Connect BMS to CAN RS485 interface. Connect the wires provided by BMS to the battery pack. Pay attention to connecting the red cable to the positive pole and the black cable to the negative pole. Install wheels. Install display screen. Connect the ribbon cable to the PCB board. Thanks for watching.